Hey all, in this video I will show you time and date formulas Microsoft Excel. This is very important. Well, I'm going to show you keyboard shortcuts. We no need to write formula or no need to click mouse. We'll just press button in our keyboard. Let's see. Let's start. For example, I will type here the current date. So this is very easy. Hold down Control and press semicolon. Okay, hold down Control and press semicolon button in your keyboard. See, this is my current date here, and now I will type this is time. So hold Control and hold Shift, then press semicolon. This is my time, current time. Well, thanks for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel, do comments and shares. Thanks for watching.